Coffee is one of those foods, drinks that I get questions on all of the time. It's actually one of the most common questions is, should I drink coffee? Is it healthy for me? I heard that it's good for you. I heard that I should avoid it. What's the truth? And so as a nutrition coach, it's a conversation that I love to have, but it's interesting because I actually personally don't like coffee. So when people find out I don't drink coffee, they assume that it's for health reasons. And so my history with coffee actually goes back to being a little girl doing tons of road trips with my mom and dad, where they would always take coffee to go in their to go cup. And as a little girl, and still today, I get car sick. And so my association with coffee is that, road trip, I'm car sick already in the back seat, and what I can smell is coffee. And so for me, it's just been a complete turn off my whole life, and it has nothing to do with the health reasons. Now, in saying that, it doesn't mean that you should go out and drink coffee. There's actually a lot of different parts to coffee that we need to consider. Are you adding a bunch of sugar to your coffee? Because if so, then of course that's not a healthy choice. There's also different kinds of coffee and organic versus non-organic. And, are you adding a ton of cream and sugar? So as we dig into the coffee conversation, there's a little bit more than is it just healthy or not, yes or no. And so I'm going to share a little bit more with you in this week's blog. It'll be a really nice one to head over and read just to really get some ideas as to whether your coffee habit is supporting you, or maybe it's something that you could start slowing down on. And if you want to slow down on it, I'm actually going to give you a really nice seasonal fall drink. This one is about pumpkin. It's a pumpkin spice latte. I'm going to give you a recipe that you can use maybe in between some coffees, or have one on a day when you feel like getting a little bit more creative with your drinks. So dig in and try that recipe. So if it's caffeine that you want to slow down, if it's sugar you want to slow down on, if you just want to kind of get rid of coffee altogether, or really become aware of how coffee might be affecting you, then dig on into this week's blog and then let me know in the comments, are you a coffee drinker? How does it make you feel? And let me know what you think of the blog itself. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.